Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving problem 3512, minimum operations to make array sum divisible by k. The problem statement is, we are given an integer array nums and an integer k. We need to perform a subtraction operation on all the numbers to make sure that the sum of all of the numbers in the nums array is divisible by the value k. In example number 1, the nums array contains 3, 9 and 7 while the value of k is 5. If we add all of the numbers in the array, the total is 19. To make the sum divisible by 5, we need to subtract 4 from it. After removing 4, the updated sum will be 15. Similarly, in example number 2, we have 413 giving us the total of 8. As 8 is already divisible by 4, the output is 0 as we don't have to perform any operations. In example number 3, the total is 5, which is less than the original number 6. So to make it divisible, we need to bring it down to 0. So the output is 5. The simplest way to solve this problem is to break it down into smaller steps, starting with iterating through the input array and adding all of its value and save it in a variable. After that, perform a mod operation using the value of k, and whatever is the output should be returned. Let's walk through the C# solution to get a better idea about how we can implement this. In this solution, I'm running the for loop to calculate the sum of all of the numbers in the array. After the for loop, I'm checking if the value of sum is less than k. If yes, then we simply need to return the sum as is because we want to make it a 0. Else, I'm applying the mod operation by k and returning the result. With this solution, my time complexity is O of n, where n is the number of items in the nums array, as we are running this for loop to calculate the total. And the space complexity is O of 1, as we are only using this one variable to record the sum. This code, when submitted on LeetCode, beats 100% of the submissions in terms of runtime and 28% in terms of memory. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you were able to understand the explanation. The link to the code is available in the description below. Feel free to check that out and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.